Hey, it's Liz with Lawsuit Tracker. The statute of limitations for the Suboxone lawsuit is complicated. So it's a failure to warn lawsuit. The warning went out in June of 2022. If you are in a 1 or 2 year statute state, that statute has expired, right? If you're in a 3-year state, that statute's coming up pretty quickly, about 3 months away. Depending on how many cases a law firm already has, it's not guaranteed that they can get everything pulled and filed in time before the statute expires. A lot of firms will not want to take any cases where the statute is close to expiring, because if they don't get it filed in time and it expires while it's still in their docket, that could be malpractice technically. So they try to really avoid that. However, after the statute's blown, there's not really a risk in taking it, and some law firms may start taking statutes where the state, it's expired, and that's because sometimes the federal judge in charge will put out a tolling agreement which extends the statute of limitations by X amount of time, or when it gets down to settlement, if they have cases where the statute has already expired, they can say, hey, we'll settle with you, but we want you to include all of these cases, or cases from this year to this year, or this state that didn't make it for whatever reason. Federal lawsuits are tricky in a lot of ways because the statute goes based off of the state that you're a resident of. So Kentucky, for example, is a 1-year state. New York is a 3-year state. It's not fair sometimes, but it's like where you live. So something else that just came out with the Suboxone lawsuit was Case Management Order 14 that I made a video on, and that allows for group filing of up to 100 people at a time. Not only does that reduce the filing costs for everyone involved, but also that means you can file all at once, which will kind of quicken the pace on that. So then it's possible that these law firms that are a little hesitant on taking the 3-year states will be like, all right, that's fine, because we know that we can file them all at once. That'll save us a bunch of time. So it really looks like that's the court kind of seeing these issues and trying to make orders to try to help mitigate those problems. I will keep you up to date on what's going on with the statute. Please feel free to leave any comments. Thanks.